Just like people, plants need nutrients to stay as healthy as possible. As plants grow, they take up nutrients from the soil around them through their root system. And just like we need the right vitamins and minerals, plants need the same to thrive. If a plant can't get the nutrients it needs, you might start to see effects like poor growth, discoloured leaves, or hardly any fruit or flowers. By feeding your plants, you're adding in the nutrients they need to flourish. And feeding doesn't have to be complicated. Plants mainly need 3 nutrients: nitrogen for leafy growth, phosphorus for healthy root development, and potassium for good fruit and flower production. Choose either a liquid or granular feed to provide the right nutrients for your plants. There are a few different kinds, so always read the label to make sure it's the right one.